Investment property: 2 homes on large lot close to town. 1 home for you to live in and 1 to rent out. This property has a beautiful 3-bedroom, 1 3/4 bath manufactured home with a great layout, spacious rooms, large windows, huge kitchen with walk-in pantry and separate laundry room. The master bedroom is on one side with the other bedrooms on the opposite side of the home. The master bathroom is a dream with dual sinks, long vanity, and an amazing 2-person walk-in shower with beautiful tile and glass details. The other home is on the county records as an ADU and you can use as a rental or mother-in-law quarters. It is a 1978 mobile home in decent condition and has 3 bedrooms and 1 3/4 baths. Renters have a 1-year lease on the trailer home. Each home has central air and their own power and heating systems. Owner pays West/S/G for tenants. There is a freezer-less faucet outside each of the homes connected to county water. Sprinklers are connected to irrigation water and can be used by buyer until neighbor caps off the irrigation line. At that time the buyer can easily connect them to their